Life marketing promotion honest review watch before using. Most people think digital marketing agencies are all the same, but Life marketing promises a mix of social media, SEO, and paid ads with a focus on small to medium businesses. Life Marketing is a full-service digital marketing agency that offers services like social media management, PPC campaigns, and search engine optimization. One standout feature is their hands-on approach. They assign dedicated account managers to create tailored strategies for each client instead of generic campaigns. Most people get this wrong. They expect instant results. The surprising truth is that meaningful growth takes time. Life marketing emphasizes steady, measurable progress, often tracking engagement, lead generation, and conversion rates to refine campaigns. Another advantage is transparency. Clients get regular reports detailing social media performance, website traffic, and ad ROI. For small business owners who aren't marketing experts, this visibility helps make informed decisions. However, there are considerations. Life marketing is best suited for small to mid-sized businesses. Larger enterprises might find the services too limited. Pricing varies based on services and campaign scale, so it's important to clarify costs upfront. In conclusion, Life marketing offers a reliable, transparent approach for small businesses looking to grow online. If you're willing to invest in steady, well-managed campaigns, it can be a smart choice. Subscribe for more honest marketing service reviews before investing in your business growth.